First, let's turn the system of equation into a matrix. Here we have 1, 1, 3, 6. Be careful here. If you wrote a 2 here, that would be wrong because this is the x column. So this is 0, 2, 4, 2. Here's 1, 3, 1, 2. First thing is to make this a leading one by clearing the column. And row reduction is a pretty hard thing. If you are confused about it, please visit 5.3. I have a very detailed way of showing you how to do row reduction. Here I'm going to work through it pretty quickly. Row 2 is already okay. Row 3, I'm going to use negative row 1 to get rid of this 1, which is negative 1, negative 1, negative 3, and negative 6. The new matrix is going to be row 1 stay the same, row 2 also stay the same. Row 3 become, add side by side, 0, 2, negative 2, and negative 4. I'm actually going to divide 2 on both row 2 and row 3 because I realize these are all multiples of 2. So I'm going to change to 1. This is 2 and negative 1. And this is 1 and negative 2. Now I need this to be a leading one. I clear the column. And I'm going to use negative row 1 for both of these. Negative row 2 for both of these. Negative row 2 is 0, negative 1, negative 2, and negative 1. Row 2 stay the same. Row 1 becomes 1, 0, 1, and 5. Row 3 becomes 0, 0, negative 3, and negative 3. I'll go ahead and divide negative 3 for both of these. Negative 1/3, I meant. Which makes them both become 1. And I need this to be a leading one. I'll clear the column. Here with a negative row 3 and a negative 2 times row 3 is 0, 0, negative 1, negative 1 here, and 0, 0, negative 2, negative 2 here. So finally, we have 1, 0, 0, 5 minus 1 is 4. And it's asking for the x value, so we don't actually have to do the rest. Whatever this is, x is going to be 4, and that's your final answer.